welcome to NDTV Auto. It's the start of the festive season, and what an amazing festive season it has been already for Maruti Suzuki. Almost 80,000 bookings already. And to talk more about it, I have with me Mr. Partha Banerjee. Partha-san, thank you so much for joining us today. Congratulations. Looks like all the pent-up demand is finally coming through, and GST benefits are really reaping fruits. What is the current status? How much? What kind of bookings have you seen? What kind of demand are you seeing from 22nd September onwards?
I think the response is amazing. Every day we are getting close to 80,000 inquiries. And on the top of it, our bookings has gone up from 10,000 per day to 18,000 per day. And in the small cars, we are especially seeing a very good sort of attraction coming.
So, what is your assessment for the entire festive season? Because as we all know, there was a bit of pent-up demand because August and the first half of September, later half of August and first half of September, people really held back, hoping for tax benefits to come through, which have finally come through. So, what is your expectation now from the entire festive season? Do you think this momentum to continue?
Mugdha, what you are saying is right. There is a pent-up demand because customers hold their buying decisions due to the GST 2.0 reform. But I would say at the same time, Maruti has taken a very strategic call to increase the motorization in India by promoting the entry-level cars. Other than passing 100% of the GST benefit, we have also done a very strategic pricing till this year end so that the two-wheeler customer can upgrade to four-wheeler. And just to further add to it, I will just share with you that we are coming with a very innovative finance product by which for the entry-level cars, a customer has to pay only an EMI of 1,999 per month and they can own a four-wheeler.
So right now, where is the demand more concentrated? You are mentioning small cars, but what kind of demand? Because you also had a very extremely new product, Victoris. So what is the demand picture looking like for you right now?
See, Victoris is rocking. We have got now more than booking of more than 2 months with us right now. And many of the places our vehicle is yet to reach to our showrooms because it's still in the transit. So I think the customers are very much liking it. And the response to our ADAS variant and the underbody CNG variant, which are the new technological innovation which we have done in the mid SUV segment, is really very much appreciated by the customers. Coming to small cars, the response is one of the best. I would say the bookings which we are seeing in the 18% GST slab is much, much higher than the 40% slab. But that doesn't mean the 40% slab, the vehicles, the traction is bad. It's good, but small cars, the traction is very good. And if I try to give you a perspective that beyond the top 100 cities, overall we are growing at 50% in the small cars. But if we try to do an segmentation, top 100 and beyond 100 cities, our bookings are growing almost at 100%.
But are you in a condition to predict the entire festive season, which was my question earlier as well? Do you think the demand momentum will continue, or you think that because there was a lull period, so the initial response is rather high?
Mugdha, this strategic pricing for the entry-level cars is valid till the 31st of December this year. So we feel this is a very good opportunity for the Indian consumer to upgrade to a four-wheeler. This is once of a lifetime opportunity. One can avail it and can enjoy the joy of mobility.
Because you also have a very big commercial vehicle portfolio, what is the scenario there? What kind of demand are you seeing in the commercial segment?
Eco also, the response is very good. In fact, again in Eco also, due to the safety regulations and the emission regulations, the affordability was a challenge there. That part has been corrected thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister and the Finance Minister for taking this initiative. We are seeing a very good traction in our Eco segment also.
And what about fleet?
Fleet also is there. I am telling you, Mugdha, right now, just 4 days when the GST 2.0 reform has kicked in. Right now, the amount of inquiries and bookings which are coming, our first target is to serve the customer as quickly as possible. So our showrooms are working late night, so they are able to quickly get the documentation done for the financing. And our finance partners are also stretching so as to ensure that we are able to deliver the vehicle as quickly as possible.
One product I want to specifically talk about is also Brezza, because though it is a sub 4-meter SUV, it has a 1.5-liter engine, and that puts that at a little disadvantage, because that puts it in the 40% tax bracket. What is the response, and do you think you want to redo the Brezza strategy, engine strategy, after tax regularization? Because earlier also Brezza was in the higher taxation segment. So what is your view on that? And what kind of response is Brezza getting post 22nd September?
As a brand, Brezza is very powerful brand. It does almost close to 15,000 vehicles per month. And I think in the GST still there has been a reduction in the price. So right now we are not seeing any difference in terms of the traction for the Brezza brand.
Mm-hmm. And how much you recently got a 5-star rating for your Victoris, and Victor has also done very well. So what is the consumer response to your achievements on this front?
I think, Mugdha-san, we as a company always believe that safety is paramount. And at the end of the day, we don't differentiate between a customer who is buying an entry-level variant or the higher variant in the same model. So as a policy, we provide all the safety features across all variants equally. The 6 airbag is there, starting from the entry-level variant to the topmost variant in any of the models which we are offering. And we are the only OEM who has now 97% of our sales in which we have provided the 6 airbags.
Mm-hmm. My last question to you is, Partha-san, that are you in a position now to figure out what kind of growth you will see for the entire year? Because you have done a lot more than the GST benefits. You have passed on a lot of benefit to customers in terms of pricing, going over and beyond the taxation relief. So what is it? What are you in a position to see what kind of growth you will see for the entire year?
Too early to do any forecasting, because just 4 days after the new GST 2.0 regime has kicked in. So maybe we can discuss it after some more time.
But you think that this whole entire festival season will be great for Maruti?
That I think goes without saying. That type of the response which you are getting, I don't think there is going to be any problem till December now.
All right. Thank you so much, Partha-san, for taking time out and speaking to us, and best of luck for the festive season. Thank you.
Thank you.